Today, we're making some lemon bars that are absolutely delicious and so easy to prepare. They feel fresh and creamy, and they have that perfect balance between sweet and tangy that I'm sure you're going to love. It's a simple dessert for anyone who wants a refreshing treat without too much work. To get started, we're going to crush 110 grams of plain cookies. This should give you about 1 cup of cookie crumbs. I'm using a food processor to make it quick, but you can also use a blender or just put them in a sturdy plastic bag and crush them with a rolling pin until you have a fine texture. Then, transfer the crumbs to a bowl and add 1/3 cup or 75 grams of melted butter. Mix everything with a spatula until it looks like wet sand, and the ingredients are well combined. Now let's put this mixture into a 6 by 6 inch pan, or 15 by 15 centimeter pan, that we've lined with parchment paper. Spread the crumbs evenly across the bottom and press down firmly with your spatula to create a solid base. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup or 300 grams of sweetened condensed milk. To that, we'll add 2 egg yolks and the zest of 1 lemon. When you're zesting, try to only get the bright yellow part of the peel because the white part underneath can be a bit bitter. Finally, pour in 1/3 cup or 80 grams of fresh lemon juice. We're using just pure juice here with no added water or sugar. Whisk everything together and you'll notice the mixture starts to thicken up slightly as the ingredients combine. Go ahead and pour this creamy lemon mixture right over our cookie base and smooth it out into an even layer. Cover the pan with a sheet of aluminum foil and seal the edges tightly. We're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you give the pan a little jiggle and the center feels firm. Once it's out of the oven, let it chill in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours so the filling sets perfectly for cutting. After it's chilled and firm, use the parchment paper to lift the whole block out of the pan. I'm cutting mine into 6 columns on one side and 3 on the other, which gives us 18 beautiful bars. Now for the topping, we're going to melt some white chocolate. You can use whatever brand you prefer. One little tip, sometimes the fridge can create tiny water droplets on top of the lemon layer. Before you add any chocolate, just take a clean paper towel and gently pat the surface of the bars to remove any moisture. This step is important because any water droplet can change the texture of the chocolate. If you want to coat the bars completely, you'll need about 400 to 450 grams of chocolate. Using a fork, place 1 bar on the melted chocolate and pour the chocolate over it to coat it completely, without having to turn the bar upside down. That makes it easier to coat and maintains the perfect shape. Tap the fork on the side of the bowl to remove excess chocolate and transfer the bar to a plate or tray lined with parchment paper. Here I'm showing you how to coat them completely. However, I actually prefer just making a simple zigzag drizzle instead. This way you can use less chocolate, the dessert turns out less sweet, and it really lets that fresh lemon flavor shine. If you're making only the drizzle, you'll only need about 1/2 cup or 80 grams of chocolate. They stay fresh in the fridge for up to 4 days. And that's it. Fresh, creamy, and delicious lemon bars that are quick and easy to make. If you enjoyed this easy dessert, please give the video a like and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time!